Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn possible ways to write for loop in C and C++ part 2. So let's begin. Start Turbo C by double clicking on the Turbo C icon on the desktop. Turbo C IDE is open now. Select New from File menu to create new program. Press F5 to zoom in the window. In this program, we are doing multiple initialization and multiple incrementation in for loop. So let's start. Void main opening brace. We need two variables, int I comma j, clr to clear the screen. For I equal to 1, j equal to 10, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, j minus minus. Okay. Now I am going to print the value of I and j by using printf. To maintain the distance, I am using field width of 4 between two variables and print them is statement in new line. I am using \n. Get ch and closing brace. So our program is ready now. Note that I did two initialization in for I equal to 1 comma j equal to 10. You can do multiple initialization as per your requirement, and in the incrementation section I am incrementing the value of I and decrementing the value of j by 1. So save it. Okay. Now compile it using Alt F9 and execute it. So the program is printing numbers from 1 to 10 and it also printing the numbers from 10 to 1 in reverse order. So in this way we can do multiple initialization and multiple incrementation in for loop. Hope this video helped you. I will see you in another video lesson. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.